I'm at the Moose Range Road Railroad Crossing, and this railroad crossing is located just east of Charter Grove, Illinois, on the Canadian National Freeport subdivision, former Illinois Central to Iowa. And I just caught M337 blasting through here with its loud SC70M-2 leader. And I thought I'd do a crossing tour now that I know all the equipment here. So here's the first signal. I believe this is looking north. Yeah, this is north. Look, overview looking south. It has a Safetran base, and it has an Invensys Rail gate mechanism. Here's the emergency information. It has a newer dot tag, and the dot number is 289947M. And the lights here, this has two pairs of Safetran 12 by 24 inch lights with GE uniform look LEDs. All sitting on a Safetran bracket. And this gate has the vertical gauge striping with 4-inch RECO LEDs, and the bell for this crossing is a Siemens electronic bell set on low tone. Here's the back view of the signal, and here is the other signal. Pretty much the same installation. These signals were both installed in like the early 2010s, probably like 2013 to 2014. So this signal, this has another Safetran base, another Invensys Rail gate mechanism. Sorry, but anyways, here's the emergency information again. And the lights here are two more pairs of Safetran 12 by 24 inch lights with more GE uniform look LEDs. These are all sitting on another Safetran light bracket. And this gate also has the vertical striping with 4-inch RECO LEDs, and the signal does not have a bell. Back view of that signal. Over here's the relay bungalow, and this crossing is located at milepost 58.20. And the grade here is all rubber. That's the track facing west at the Baseline Road Railroad crossing, and then towards Rockford, Freeport, eventually Dubuque, and then Terra, Iowa, where the line splits in two. And that's the track facing east, and there's an advanced approach down there, as well as the CN milepost 57.57 defect detector. Yeah, there's an advanced approach signal there. Then towards South Elgin, Hawthorne Yard, and then Homewood Yard. Connects to Homewood Yard by going through Chicago. Anyways, that's the Moose Range Road Railroad crossing in Charter Grove, Illinois.